Hi, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to learn how to make roast pecans. This is a very southern dish. If you go to a party or a tea or baby shower or anything, you're always going to find this on the table in a southern home, and it's very easy. All I like to do is take 5 tablespoons of butter, and I will melt this in the microwave, and 2 cups of pecans. And once you've melted this in the microwave, you coat the pecans in them, salt them, and put them on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 275, and you've got a great appetizer. Again, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned how to roast pecans.